Hello and welcome to Hidden Wonders of Nature. Today we are going to talk about chia seeds and their incredible health benefits. Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that are native to Mexico and Guatemala. They are packed with nutrients that make them a superfood. The information provided in this script is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis or treatment. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Hidden Wonders of Nature does not endorse any specific product, service or treatment mentioned in the script. Always read the label and follow the directions for use. Chia seeds have been used for centuries for their health benefits. In recent times, chia seeds have gained popularity as a superfood that is packed with nutrients and can benefit your health in many ways. Join us today as we explore the hidden wonders of nature and discover the amazing health benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a rich source of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber is important for maintaining a healthy gut. It helps to regulate digestion, prevent constipation and maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Chia seeds contain mucilage, a gel-like substance that forms when the seeds come into contact with water. This mucilage helps to slow down the digestive process, which can help to reduce inflammation in the gut and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. Chia seeds are also great for heart health. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of heart disease. Omega-3s are also important for brain health and can help to reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes. You can sprinkle them on top of your yogurt, add them to smoothies, or even make chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a delicious and healthy snack that is easy to make. Chia seeds are just one of the many superfoods that can benefit your health. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Chia seeds are also great for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. They are a rich source of protein and can help to promote muscle growth and repair. Chia seeds are also packed with essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for maintaining healthy bones. Chia seeds can be used as a substitute for eggs in recipes. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. This can be used in place of eggs in recipes like muffins and pancakes. Chia seeds can also be used to make a delicious and nutritious breakfast porridge. Simply mix chia seeds with milk or almond milk, add your favorite toppings like fruit and nuts, and enjoy. That's all for today's episode of Hidden Wonders of Nature. We hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing health benefits of chia seeds. So next time you're looking for a healthy and nutritious food to add to your diet, consider chia seeds. They're packed with nutrients and can benefit your health in many ways. Thanks for watching Hidden Wonders of Nature. We'll see you next time.